Hello friends, in this video we are going to review Access Small Cap Mutual Fund from Access Mutual Fund House. This is one of the top performing small cap mutual funds that you can consider to invest. Let us understand some basic information about Access Mutual Fund House. This mutual fund house got established in the year 2009 and its headquarters is located in Mumbai, India. The official website of Access Mutual Fund House is www.accessmf.com. You can create your mutual fund account in accessmf.com website, and you can create SIP, delete SIP, and you can invest in lump sum as well in all the mutual funds that they allow you to invest from the website. Access Mutual Fund is offering more than 154 varieties of funds, which includes equity, debt, hybrid, and balanced funds. They also offer ETFs, which you can find in their official website. Since we are going to discuss about Access Small Cap Mutual Fund, let us first understand what is a small cap fund. Small cap fund is an equity fund which is going to invest the amount that you are investing to buy small cap stocks which are listed in Indian market. In general, the investment return of small cap mutual fund is going to be fantastic, even though these companies can get into trouble in short to medium term, but when you consider long term, the investment return will be more because these small cap companies will have opportunity to grow their business. Please be informed that your investment in the small cap mutual fund is going to be risky. If you are considering to be invested for more than 5 years, and if you want the return to be more compared to the mid cap and large cap fund, then this is the fund that you need to select for. In this section we will completely analyze Axis small cap fund from Axis Mutual Fund House. Let us start by seeing some basic information about this particular mutual fund. This mutual fund got launched at 29th November 2013. It is an open-ended mutual fund and it falls under equity small cap category. The main objective of this fund is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in small cap companies which are listed in India. In the next section, we will understand Access Mutual Fund scheme information. Let us start by seeing how much money we need to get invested for the minimum investment. In case you want to start with SIP, you need to start investment with minimum 500 rupees. In case of lump sum, you have to start the investment with 5,000 onwards. The expense ratio associated with this Access Small Cap Mutual Fund is 0.36% as on December 31st, 2021. The asset which is getting managed under this fund is around 8,410 crores. There are no lock-in period associated with this fund. The benchmark which is getting tracked by this Access Small Cap Mutual Fund is Nifty Small Cap 250 Total Return Index. There is no entry load associated with this Access Small Cap Fund. However, there is an exit load of 1% if you try to redeem your investment within the span of 12 months. So far we have seen the scheme information of Access Small Cap Mutual Fund. In the next section, we will understand the fund manager details. The fund is being managed by Anupam Tiwari, who is managing around 18,896 crores between 16 schemes. He has over 11 years of experience. The scheme riskometer of this Access Small Cap Fund is going to be very high. As I said earlier, this fund is going to focus on investing in small cap companies. All the small cap mutual funds will have very high risk rating. In this section, we will see the scheme ratings provided by Value Research as well as Morningstar. Morningstar as well as Value Research has given 5-star rating for this Access Small Cap Mutual Fund based on the past performance. In the next section, we will see the fund allocation by market cap. Since it's a small cap mutual fund, it is investing 43.31% of the fund in the small cap stocks. Nearly 6.1% is being allocated to buy large cap stocks. The remaining 40.21% is being allocated to buy mid cap stocks. In general, the small cap companies will turn into mid cap when they grow more. In this section, we will understand the top 5 sectors which are being focused by this Axis Small Cap Mutual Fund. Nearly 18.08% is allocated for construction stocks, 17.86% is allocated for chemical sector, 15.26% is allocated for technology, and 8.05% is being allocated for healthcare sector, and remaining 5.64% is being allocated to buy stocks which are listed under financial sector. In this section, we will understand the top 10 companies in the portfolio of Axis Small Cap Mutual Fund. The company which are in the top includes Galaxy Surfactants, Brigade, Birlasoft, Data Elixir. Most of these companies are going to be mid cap as well as small cap. Most of these companies have been small cap in the early days. Since the growth has been more, now these companies have turned into mid cap companies. In future, some of these companies can get into the large cap category as well. That is the reason why you see some difference in the percentage of fund allocation for mid cap, small cap as well as large cap in the small cap mutual funds. Now it's a time to get into the exciting section of this video, which is going to be the absolute return. The absolute returns are mentioned in percentage. If you have invested in the last 6 months, you would have got the return of 9.15%. If you had invested in the last 1 year, you would have got the return of 42.88%. In case of last 3 years, this fund has provided the return of 146.13%. Let us understand this percentage of return in absolute numbers for the investment amount of 10,000. The investment of 10,000 would have given you 4,287 as profit in the last 1 year. In case of last 3 years, it would have given the profit of 14,613 rupees. In case of last 5 years, it would have given the return of 17,796 rupees, which is more than 170%. In the next section, I will show you some of the alternative funds that you can consider invest before you select this Axis Small Cap Mutual Fund. Now we have come to the end of the video. So far we have discussed full details about Axis Small Cap Mutual Fund. Hope this video was useful. Do subscribe to our Financial Techie channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the another video. Thanks.